that's important to know. So let's say I wanted to download the image that I used and just have it loaded directly. So this is the forest image that I used. I'm gonna save this. So I'm gonna save this. This is my downloads folder. Wait, you guys can't see that. That's okay. I'm saving it to my downloads folder. So I'm gonna go back over to Replit. I'm gonna go to the file system and I'm gonna upload a file. So I'm gonna click on here, go to upload file, and grab this from my downloads folder. And so now I actually have a copy of the image in my project, but I can load an image in HTML. I don't need P5 to do that. So I'm just going to call this forest.jpg. I'll make a folder for this and call it images and put that in there. And so now if I want to load this, I can change this URL now, but I have to be careful. So let's actually test it. So it's a local URL now. I'm not going to the Wikipedia site anymore. So let's see if I can just use a local path. I think it's not going to let me do this, but let's try it. So if I say images/forest.jpg, so this is what's going to load it. So I'm telling it the URL here, and then in setup scene, if the image URL exists, it creates an image element. So it's not doing anything in P5. It's actually creating an HTML element, like an HTML image element. That's just like how we show an image on a page. Like if we go to the original page for this and I inspect this, you'll see that it's just an image tag in HTML. So it's not like being rendered on the canvas or anything like that. It's just an HTML image. So I don't have to load it from Wikimedia. I can download it and put it on my own server, and then it's going to be a local path. So I think, let's see if this works. Yeah, so I can use a local path to the image if it's on my server. So that's how I would add the image if I wanted to download it from somewhere, or if you take an image on your phone and it's not on the internet, you want to put it into the project, you can upload it to Replit or whatever you're using, and then just use a local URL there. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right.